Hi everyone, Gareth at QCT here. I'm doing a really quick video today. Just what I have in my hand here is a Raspberry Pi. Now the Raspberry Pi itself is not that interesting or exciting, but what is exciting about this is that I've just finished setting this up for a customer of ours who's helping out with some of the local county council testing for the lateral flow test for COVID. So they contacted us. They're in need of a relatively low cost, easy to deploy bit of kit that they can take to some of the mobile test centres. They've been doing things off mobile phones, but that's not necessarily working as well as it could. This is only part of the solution because we're also looking at 4G routers and things like that for them as well. But in the interim, I just wanted to show you just very quickly just the boot process of this Raspberry Pi, logging on automatically and getting you to the testing site, because I'm quite proud and we've got this working relatively quickly for this customer. So the black screen that you can see there, that's the output from the Raspberry Pi. I'm just going to connect the power, so start the boot process. So it takes a few seconds and then you'll see flash up that pretty screen there, and then actually starts the boot process there. So that's starting the bootloader. So this is all going on real time. Sorry, I probably should have kept talking then, but it's got to the desktop there and has automatically started Chromium and taken you to this web page, which is the .gov.uk result test site. So what would happen is the operative in question would click the I'm a testing operative. When I click this, there are a couple of bits that I will have to blur out. I don't have permission from people to use names, so I will be blurring out any named information that's on here. So I'm a testing operative. We are signing into the testing portal, entering a site ID, and then hitting the button there that says log test results. Now the webcam that I was testing this with is that webcam that's currently recording me, so it's not actually connected to the Raspberry Pi, but I can assure you that about 10 or 15 minutes ago this camera was plugged into the Pi and picking up and scanning the barcodes absolutely fine. So very chuffed with that. That seems to be working beautifully. Obviously it's just timed out there and has gone back to the enter a barcode manually because it couldn't find the camera. So yeah, it was just a really quick one, just a couple of minutes, just because I'm dead chuffed with that. Working really well, and hopefully he's going to be helping with the lateral flow test effort here in Staffordshire. Thanks very much for watching the video. Speak to you again soon. Cheers. Bye.